Oh, in our spare time, we make fun of preps.
Oh yeah, we do. So like, anyway, there was this guy. Right?
Oh my gosh!
And he was like,
cry.
oh my god, he was like so hot. Oh my god.
My best friend didn't pick me for the basketball team. We have more complicated issues than that. Sorry.
Yeah, I know. That's like way.
The other part of our stupid group isn't here.
Because they're all grounded.
Because by now, Tyler would have been the first one to jump in the puddle before I even said anything.
Yeah, pretty much.
Are we walking in the street? Let's walk in the street. Okay. Okay. We're walking in the street.
We be sexy in the rain.
We be sexy. We be smexy.
Oh, yes.
I see a light over there.
Okay, we see a light in the distance, which I can't really see on camera, so just get closer.
The rain falling down. Let the rain fall down and make my dreams slowly wash away. But then because I want.
Okay, you still can't see the light there.
We're gonna get in so much trouble because we're not.
No, only if we're in the field. You can see the light. Run! Somebody's we're gonna clog that. Who is that? It's that white truck over there. Okay, before we die, this is an end to our video. Thanks, salute, and goodbye to Justin, Tim, Tyler, and most importantly, Bethany, who we may never see again.
Yeah.
We love you guys so much.
So much.
Goodbye.
Bye.